Hey people, this show Little Things that is on Netflix uh, came a long time ago, and I watched it also a long time ago. But I think for some reason I don't think I made a review of Little Things. So I have to say, yeah, the show that has Mithila Palkar and Dhruv Sehgal is so, like, you would think it's like a camera been placed in the lives of a real time couple in Mumbai. It is as real as that. I mean, like, in terms of right from the kind of chemistry they share, which is very indicative of a young urban couple. Like, it's not overly mushy. At the same time, uh, that's what you need to watch the show to see it. I think Mithila Palkar and Dhruv Sehgal, they basically, it's their own personalities that we are seeing on screen, which is, and that's what makes that show so unique. Like, it doesn't look like they are reading out from a script, or it doesn't look very stagey and all, because I'll be honest, I tend to avoid all these drama type of you know uh, I'd rather watch reality TV. So when you watch Little Things, you get that feeling. And they've kind of touched on so many subjects. Like, on the latest season, it was all about long distance relationships and how a couple kind of navigates those choppy waters or whatever. So really, people, I think Dhruv Sehgal in particular has this very bhola chehra, very sweet. He's the kind of guy probably many girls will aspire for. And Mithila Parkar is the woman of today. Like, she knows her mind, and she makes these decisions, and it's just so interesting. So do catch it, people. It's called Little Things, and it's on Netflix. And like all other shows on Netflix, it is just brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.